So first what we have to do is we have to keep 2 fold fabric fold. Okay, only 2, not like the dress. This will be 2 fold like this, 1 fold and 2 fold. Okay, same process like we thought yesterday. Shoulders should come in the middle and waist should go below. You have to go on mark. Okay, now first we will mark back, and now this is front. Okay, so back shoulder first. We have finished length. Now shoulder, then arms.
Ma'am, cloth should be correct side or wrong side, ma'am?
Better you keep on the wrong side only, because marking, it will be there, right? So you have to keep the fabric on the wrong side only. Fold. This chest, then -1 from chest, that is our waist. Okay, then you have to join like this. This is the back part. Arms 1 inch shape. After that, neck marking. We are keeping our neck small, back neck. If you want, you can keep deep also. Yeah, see, yesterday I was saying, right, you have to keep back side. If you want deep, minimum 2 to 3 inches gap. That I will show you where it will come. See here, as you can see, yesterday I was telling you have to leave at least 2 to 3 inch gap, right? It will come here. So this much you have to leave. Until this you can take your neck length, back deep. Okay, from below 2 to 3 inches you have to leave. So now our back is done. We will mark our front part. So same shoulder length we have already marked. Arms done. Now chest. Then waist. So now this much is done. After that we will mark our neck. Arms, after that arms you have to give half inch shape. In back what we did was, we did 1 inch. In arms it is half inch. Okay, front neck. This is first blouse, right? So you all keep round neck only, because we will show piping folding in this. Okay, usually in the dresses also you can do that if you want, but most of the blouses we will do that. We do hemming, right? Piping for the blouse, that we will show. See, like this. After that we have to mark the markings. Okay, now this tucks, first one arm side 3 inch. Okay, and just 1/4 here. Then next on the chest side, half of it. Then here we have to take 6 inches. Then give half inch shape. After this, on the folding side, okay, on the neck side you have to take, neck side tuck will come small 3 inch only. Always remember this. On the chest side it will come big tuck. Same here also, half inch gap. Now in between two we have to mark this point, and on this point we have to take 2.5, not full, just 2.5 in length. Okay, then 3/4 here. So total it should come 1.5. Okay, this much we have to mark. This is just marking, not cutting. Okay, just we have to mark this. So now we will cut possible. So what you have to do is you have to start cutting by your neck only. Okay, not like this directly, because when you cut like this neck part, this piece will save for our putty, front button putty we give, right, for that. Now this is a 1 meter piece, so we are getting enough piece to do everything. But if it is 80 centimeter, then it will be a very problem for us. So we have to save as much as possible in this blouse piece while cutting. Okay, so now back piece is done. Now next, front. So front also same, from neck you have to cut. Then shoulder shape, then arms, that round shape we gave no that. Normal cutting. So once this is done, there will be folding, right? So this folding we have to cut only on the front, because front opening is there. If you want back opening, you have to cut at the back. It's like that. So here now first, right, so we will be doing front opening. Now you have to darken this, and same we need to mark on another piece of the blouse. Now this is one side one. Okay, so now we will get two, right? So what we have to do is easiest method to copy. Just keep about this like this. Both the wrong side should meet, because we will be marking on the wrong side. And just give a dab. You have to go on dab. Like this you will get copy of the same markings like this. Then you can darken it again. Okay, sometimes what happen, if you are remeasuring it, then our tux may move, it may come half inch or little bit above and down. So you have to just give it like this. So like this, now we have got both the blouses, front part one. Okay, so if anybody have doubt, you can just ask. Shall we continue?